Okay, just coming on to 0920. I'm here at the crossing, which is very strange considering I'm not normally up until 10. So we're here from will at least be a private booking for the Pullman from Dover to Victoria for the flower show. There's also a Northern Bell, not through here unfortunately, from Manchester Victoria to Victoria today for the flower show. So we'll see what shall turn up within the next two javelins and the Pullman. Okay, the time now is 09:24 and this is the 09:27 southeast service from Ramsgate to London St Pancras International. It's actually quite busy. Do you want to make it 12 cars for National? It must be due new crossing plan then. It's all marked. I said, this has all gone mouldy and worn out. This was new a couple of months ago. Oh, we've got BTP, well, I say BTP is probably revenue enforcement officers on platform 2. I don't think they've done big works on Saturday. Well, actually it was Sunday. Also this morning, well, since last night there's been an outage on bus times and the stagecoach app, stagecoach vehicles tracking, so it's back to the old ways for if you want to know what time your bus is. Just guess or check Travelline with the on the number that's on the bus stop with the bus stop code. Train on 5090 just getting in. To St Pancras via Dover and there we go. Okay, the time now is 09:30 and this is for the 09:31 southeastern service from St Pancras International to Ramsgate. Actually what I might do is I might get it with a person next door to the box. If it will work. Well, buses are running. They're not tracking with anything. Here it comes. 395 Sebastian Co. To Ramsgate and well, we'll see you in the next video. Yeah. Okay, time now is 09:43 and we're waiting for the 09:44 Belmond Pullman service from Dover Priory to London Victoria. There's no tall name for this. So all I've got is that it's a Belmond Pullman service. Yeah, if the 56 was going the other way, I would have gone that side of the night mode. No. Yeah, I noticed on the timetable from, I think it was on Monday. It's odd because it's not a proper Belmond tour, as it's not on their website. But I did put it on Railway Herald. The only thing I know that is that's Belmond Pullman, and it's got the 67s on it. And this probably is something to do with the flower show. I suppose it's somewhat booked if because they have 20 million quid every day. Here it is. If the easiest came in via Ashford rather than Canterbury East, they probably would stop Clan Line on it. And once it's not coming through here, diverted because of the Newington landslip. 67021. And a black support. 67021 to 67024 to London Victoria via the Medway towns, and thank you very much for watching today's episode of The Level Crossing, and we'll see you next time.